Hey friends, welcome back to WataVue Mountain. As you can tell by the preview and the title, kind of an emotional, somber day for us here at the mountain. Got a call yesterday morning from the fire chief of the local volunteer fire department to let us know that the cabin had been struck by lightning. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, wait, how's he discomposed while he's doing this video? Well, I haven't seen it yet. So it's still not 100% real, and I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to respond once I get up the top of the mountain and see it. So I wanted to record this intro before we see it, because I don't know if I'm going to be able to speak after we see it. So, yeah, I think we're both still in shock with it all right now. And in about 10 minutes it's going to be real. So thank you though for staying with us along this journey. For those of you who don't know, who maybe this is the first time you're watching one of our videos, my wife Shawn and I have been building this cabin ourselves for I think the last 3.5 years. Every board, every nail, every screw. Our sons came up a couple days and helped us, a couple of our sons, but 99% we have done by ourselves. So pretty emotional, lots of time, effort, memories, blood, sweat, and tears have gone into this, and it's almost a miracle that we're still married after after this. So let's let me stop rambling and let's head up the mountain and see what it looks like. There it is. We're gonna try to rummage through some stuff. I think that's a generator. Hurricane ties. Air conditioner. There's our electrical box. Big generator. There's our air compressor under there somewhere. Probably the cement mixer. There's the bed. Sink might actually be salvageable. Propane tank, probably the water heater underneath that. I mean, there's nothing. Scaffolding, we might be able to save that scaffolding. But I mean, even the tools, the saws, I don't even know what this is. I mean, nothing left. concrete. Oh, there you go. There you see the saw blade. That's the stand that the chop saw was on. I don't even see anything that resembles a table saw. Cement mixer. All that was underneath the cabin. There's the insulation. They're not lying. It didn't burn. Everything else is burned up. Had insulation everywhere. Let's keep digging around. I'll come back in a minute. Almost at a loss for words, which, if you know me, is uncommon for me. I can always talk. Literally nothing salvageable. Even the propane tank had a hole in it. I mean, things are just disintegrated. I can't imagine how hot this fire was. The posts that we had in the ground for the deck burnt into the ground. The water tank is completely melted and gone. Like, there's no sign of plastic inside that frame. That metal frame is still there where the IBC tote was, but there's not even a sign there was plastic there. Generators just gone. The sink, the bathroom sink, is still intact, but it's so burnt and crispy. I don't know if we could ever salvage it without spending hundreds of dollars. We'll see, but it's just it's like being in a bad nightmare. And I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know the way ahead. I don't know the way forward. Do we try to rebuild? I mean, more than half of our tools are gone. They were all in the cabin. I mean, we spent tens of thousands of dollars already on lumber and tin and everything. I mean, the hot water heater, the septic system we had going, the black tank, EcoFlow Delta. There's no trace of that thing. I don't know what happened to those lithium ion phosphate batteries, but they're gone. The only thing that's kind of unscathed is that scaffolding you can see over there. It's a little twisted, a little burnt, but I don't know. We'll see what the road ahead is. We'll let you know. Still processing this, because it's just not real. So let us know in the comments what you think we should do. Not that we're necessarily gonna do what you think we should do, but just leave us some comments. So thanks for coming, thanks for checking us out. I'll let you know. We'll do a video when we start the cleanup project here, because clearly we're gonna have to clean all this up. We can't just let all this junk sit out here. And I believe God has a plan. I don't know what it is. It hurts right now, but you know, as it talks about in the Bible, you're going to have valleys and you're going to have peaks, and I'm pretty sure this is our valley right now at WataVue Mountain. So so stay tuned. We're going to pray on it. We're going to think about it, talk to God, see what he wants us to do, and keep on keeping on, because that's all you can do. We're still blessed. We weren't in this when it caught on fire. There was no loss of life. It's all material stuff. So in the grand scheme of things, you know, whatever. There were no family heirlooms. Some stuff people gave us, but nothing that was of significant value personally, or, like I said, most important thing is we still have our health. So now, thanks for coming, thanks for checking us out. Look up this way, there'll be another video. I have no idea what it's going to be. YouTube will pick it, but say a prayer for us, leave us a comment, let us know what we should do. Till next time, be safe, God bless.